Divine love, if intensively cultivated, is the supreme remedy for all ills. Divine love, if intensively cultivated, is the supreme remedy. Use thy will, not in fear, not in pain. Love will wash the past away. Every shadow fades in light. Love restores, love makes it right. Divine love, if intensively cultivated, is the supreme remedy for all ills. Divine love, if intensively cultivated, is the supreme remedy. Use thy will. Love is the answer, love is the way, brighter and stronger with every day. Open your heart, let it begin. The healing flows from deep within. Divine love, if intensively cultivated, is the supreme remedy for all ills. Divine love, if intensively cultivated, is the supreme remedy. Use thy will. Love is the light, love is the cure.